4th year. Year 4 of Mead Stampede.
It is the fourth
year. It's great. I was thinking about the other day.
Holy smokes.
Time's flying. Hosted here in Oklahoma City. It is your chance to get some feedback on your brews, possibly win some ribbons, some awesome awards.
Some cool stuff.
Some really cool stuff. And we have, if you've never entered a competition, it's as simple as taking whatever homebrew you have, and then there's a registration side. So you do have to do you don't just send it in blank.
Super chill though.
Yeah. There will be a registration link that will be open.
April 1st.
April 1st. We're going to put some dates on screen as this is going along. And go in there, register your meads. Make sure you pay for them because that will secure your spot in here. We, at this moment, don't have a cap, but if things start getting wild, we probably will have to put a cap somewhere.
We have to be able to manage everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
So go in there, register your mead. We have a lot of opportunities for different categories. We have a special one that I'm going to let BC talk about a little bit more.
Yeah, so we have all the traditional categories that you would see in a mead competition anywhere, but we also have Cattle Battle, which is unique to Mead Stampede. And Cattle Battle, essentially what happens is we brew a batch of something, we tell you about the ingredients, and then you try and brew a batch that tastes like our batch. So you're trying to read our minds, read our palates on what we would do to make this mead. And then when we judge it, we're not judging by which mead was best. For Cattle Battle, we're judging by which one was closest to the mead that we made.
Yep.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
If you didn't start it 4 months ago, don't worry.
You can still do it.
You can start it now. Yep. Send it in. So join Cattle Battle. I think last year we had 17 entries. Yep. We usually don't have that many entries because it is incredibly challenging.
Yes.
And so I want to encourage folks to enter it because it's my favorite part of Mead Stampede.
And of course, like he said, every other category. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. We have every other category possible for you. So whatever you're sitting on will fit into there. We have a ton of awards. We have awards for, of course, our 1st and 2nd and 3rd place, the best of show. We have some specific ones for myself, BC, and Mandy, who were the 3 main people who host this. Our favorite brews. Does not necessarily have to be a meddling brew. It could just be our favorite brew from the whole weekend. So we will each choose one.
It's a belt buckle.
It's a really cool, it's a very unique, cool award. Yeah. So another reason to enter. We're rolling out some new awards as well. So they're going to be really fun. Very beginner friendly as well. So if you're like, well, I've just made 2 or 3 meads.
That's why we have a Rookie of the Year award. We are introducing for the first time this year, if you have never entered Mead Stampede before, and if you haven't medaled in any of the other major mead competitions, you will be qualified for the Rookie of the Year. And I'll leave it there. Yeah. I'll leave it there.
It's well worth it for you to enter. If not just for the fun of it, for the feedback, we have tons of great judges with valuable palates who can help you grow, and that's the intent of our competition. We want to help you grow. Of course, we like awarding medals, but at the end of the day, we want our competition to be unique in that we are hoping to make you a better mead maker as we taste your meads, give you some feedback from what we think.
We've entered a lot of competitions. Our judges have all entered lots of competitions, and so we know the value of good feedback. And not every competition provides comprehensive feedback. Some of them just give a couple words.
Right.
And so one of our goals, like Garrett said, is to make sure that you're getting useful feedback that helps you improve. And a lot of times we'll even, if it's, we have a judging pair, if there's something that we're looking for in there, we might pass a glass off to another judge just to get another opinion and then fold that into your feedback too. So we try and make sure it's as comprehensive as possible.
Tons of dates on screen, entering, when the deadline for shipping is, how to get bottles here. We have all that information on our website if you'd like to keep updated with that too. And we want you to enter. Please send us your stuff. We would love to try it. We would love to hopefully award you some ribbons and swag. All right, we hope to see you there. Make sure you enter on time so that you can for sure get your stuff in, and we'll see you in all your bottles in July.
Mead Stampede!
Homemade brews and various how-tos, everything from mead to roast. Big creation, fermentation, inebriation, doing the most.